All right, the countdown to the World Championships in Tokyo is on, and all eyes are on Jamaica's athletes, and they prepare to take on the world. Today we are joined by one of the journalists heading to Tokyo to cover all the action. Don't know if I'm going to get visa and all kind of thing.
Still a try.
Jermaine Brown, outstanding analyst, outstanding commentator. And I was going to say former athlete, but it looked like him quietly could have run a little things.
Yeah, it was
good to see you, Bridget. Morning and welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get something out of the way, because and obviously you're the expert, but I didn't hear us having to qualify for relays until recently.
Yeah, it's relatively new. It started maybe about not the World Relays,
the one before
that.
Yeah.
So to make the World Relays more relevant, World Athletics decided that all countries must compete at the World Relays in order to qualify their teams for the World Championships and the Olympics. And therefore, the top 14 teams from the World Relays qualify automatically.
This is 4x1, 4x4, men and women.
All relays.
And mixed relays.
Mixed as well.
Okay, having said that, who don't qualify yet?
All right, so we had the mixed 4x4, which were in some problems, and the women's 4x4.
Right.
The mixed 4x4 team, they qualified automatically over the weekend, winning at the NACAC Championships in a record time, 3 minutes 11.10. So they're in automatically.
So
they're safe.
Mixed relay, we're good.
Yeah, the women's 4x4 now, they're in the 16th position. So number top 16 qualify.
But they could be overtaken.
Yes. So they're sitting in a little precarious position. So they'll be hoping that no other team really surpasses them. I don't see that happening either, based on the times that they've run thus far.
So it's just a 4x4 women who might be a little bit iffy.
Right.
4x4 men are there.
Yes.
4x1 men are there. The 4x1 women.
Right.
And the mixed.
And the mixed. Yeah.
When will the team be officially named for the World Championship?
All right, so I understand that the official announcement will come on September 1. All teams must send in their entries officially by September 1.
And August 24 is what? August 24 would be the final
cutoff qualification. Yeah, that's
so
the cutoff.
Don't qualify by August 24.
Yeah, exactly. For the individual events, and for the relays, you have an extra day, the 25th. Yeah.
You like that?
In terms of what?
The fact that we have to qualify for this?
Yeah, I think it makes it exciting, and it gives everyone a fair chance. Some teams by being just sheer hosts, they would have been allowed to enter a relay team, but that's no longer the case. You must qualify.
And when we hear say, so 1, 2, 3 automatic, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the relay pool, so that doesn't obtain anymore. You don't have a relay pool if you don't qualify. It don't make sense if you have the pool.
Yeah, you have your relay pool, but as far as the J3's rules are concerned, the top 3 from each event, that is individual event, the 100, 200, 400, they automatically make their relay teams. But thereafter, then the other members of the team are at the discretion of the J3.
But don't we have folks who made 1, 2, 3 who don't have the qualifying time and/or distance?
Right. So
what happens?
So like Rashid McDonald in the men's 400,
and he's the national champion.
National record holder.
But he doesn't have the qualifying.
The automatic qualifying time.
So what
of 44.85. So he's now in a qualifying position by way of world ranking. So the top 48 qualify by world ranking. So he's in 37th place.
So he should be all right.
He should be all right.
So we shouldn't have a national champion who don't qualify for the championship.
Yeah, for the most part.
What about Christopher Taylor?
All right, so he's also in a position to qualify by way of world ranking. So he's in 36th position overall in terms of the men's 200. Going back to the men's 400, our fastest athlete this year, Bovell McPherson, 44.78. Now at the national championships, he didn't finish top 3, but by having the automatic qualifying time,
he's in.
Yeah.
So which means he would knock out someone in the 1, 2, 3.
Right. So Javon Powell, who would have been third at the national championship, if he doesn't get the automatic qualifying mark by August 24th.
But he would have to beat someone also.
Yeah.
We can't have more than 3, right?
Right. No, we can have 4 in the men's 400 because we have
the defending champion,
Antonio Watson.
Antonio Watson, you're right. All right, tell me about Guam now? How much medal and...
All right, so hopefully we can surpass the 12 we won in Budapest. Things are looking good by way of just the performances of our athletes since the national trials. I think, in my estimation, we got it right in terms of hosting our national trials in June. So it gave, with the World Championships in September, I think it gave our athletes a bit more time to, having made the team, then they could have just focused on, getting the qualifying times and getting better. So,
well, you know me by now. Me, I work for many years, and I like put people under pressure.
Yeah.
Gold medal. Who?
All right. So, Kishen is the gold medal favorite for the men's 100 meters. And in terms of our clearest gold medal, I think that's one for sure.
Gold medal for Kishen, for sure?
No, he's the gold medal favorite, for sure.
But you're saying for sure?
No, he's the gold medal favorite.
Okay.
Big favorite.
So you're not saying for sure he might win the gold?
No, but and that's one of the rivalries that we're all looking forward to seeing.
Yeah.
I'm not ruling out a surprise in the women's 100 meters. It won't be easy in terms of getting a gold medal there.
What's her name? Jefferson Wooden?
Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
She's doing
she's
with the times that the
scorching
twins,
all season.
The times that the twins have done, it would be a surprise if we win that.
Oh, Tina and Tia.
It would be a surprise if we win the 100 women.
Yeah, well, it would be.
Would be a
if
surprise.
Jefferson's there, and of course, we have Julian Alfred from St. Lucia.
Yeah.
So it's between Alfred and Julian and
10 years
Jefferson.
10 years to something, a gold medal run.
No, man. Both athletes. Well, Melissa is going in at 10.6. Julian is at 10.7. Tina
10.8.
is at 10.8. Sharika is at 10.8. Shelly is at 10.9. Tia came back over the weekend at the Cilicia Diamond League meet. Personal best, 10.8 is 2.
So we should podium in the 100 women, though.
I think we can, for sure.
Look, so...
Yeah, but look, remember the last World Championships, Sharika and Shelly were the two howling favorites.
Man, and things go on.
And then came Shakiri out of lane 8. So you just need to be in that final.
Yeah, man.
You just need to be in that
I said two medal in the women's final. I said 2 medal in the men's final, because I'm not ruling out
oblique
either.
This could be easier.
And I'm not ruling out that lady that I just saw. That lady right there. I'm not ruling her out at all.
This could be oblique.
The 200, Sharika.
She looked good over the weekend. The season's best 22.17 in Cilicia.
Should win?
No, I don't have her as a favorite there
to
defend her title, but she should be able to get onto the podium once she can turn up fit. Well, she hasn't been in the form that she was in 2 years ago.
Yep.
All right, you need to be in that 21.6, 21.7. She ran 21.4 in Budapest, for instance.
Yep.
But Jefferson Wooden 21.6. Of course, Julian Alfred, she's at 21.7 already. She's the world leader, so it won't be easy for her.
So you say more than 12 medals?
Yeah, I think we can repeat the 12.
All right.
Yeah.
We're out of time. So we're going to get a medal, 100 women, you think?
Men.
So you don't think we're going to get a medal, 100 women?
Well, gold medal in the 100.
I don't know, but
men. Yeah, for sure.
All right, so that's 2.
Yeah.
The 200, Sharika.
I think we can get a medal there
Level.
too. Yeah, he's definitely a medal contender based on current form.
So that's 4.
Yeah.
Hurdle sprint women.
Yes, I think we can get a medal there.
5.
Yeah.
Might get 2 with Akira and
Megan. She's in.
Hold on, so that's 5.
And Daniel Williams is the defending world champion
Right.
in
so
that
let's say 5. Where else we going to get medal? 4x1 men.
4x1
women.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah, I think the 4x4 men can also
8.
get in there. 4x4 women, and never ever count them out.
9. What about field events? We don't talk field events all now.
Shanika Ricketts in the women's triple jump.
10.
For sure. Tajay Gale
11.
in the men's long jump. Kerry McLeod also, in the long jump. And Jordan Scott in the men's triple jump.
12.
Yeah, so that's it.
12 you said it.
Yeah.
All right.
They went through that quickly, right?
We deal with it. And you are thinking maybe just 1 gold.
No, I think we can get more than 1 gold, man. But Kishane's gold medal will really... And if he can do what Bolt did in terms of setting that tone, getting that early gold medal, and setting the tone for the rest of the meet for us, then we could have a good championship.
I know we get the wrap-up.
And we always do well in Asia.
I know we get the wrap-up, but he pulled out of the meet today because of injury. How bad?
Yeah, shin problem.
How bad is that? Can that affect?
I think it's more precautionary.
Okay.
So today in Lausanne, oblique and Noah Lyles. That's the battle. Yeah.
All right. So Jermaine Brown, sports journalist, commentator, analyst, athlete, and he will be in Tokyo. Just make sure you bring it to I don't ramp with me. I will block you out of the airport. And by the way, we have it live here on TVJ SN Hits, One Spot Media. It starts September 12, ends September 21. And of course, you're in the right spot to see it. All right. All right, when we come back from Tokyo Takeover, we have our He Said, She Said. Suko.